What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today we'll be talking about my interior, double R stars, dashboard. So stay tuned and don't forget to like and subscribe. As y'all can see, this is what I had. And I say I had because I'll be changing that today. Shitty ass job, as y'all can see. It was my first time. You know, I was a virgin, so look at all this. So for the double R stars, it wasn't that hard to do. This is the remote. I can change any color I want. Any color. And as y'all can see right here, that's where the small little dots run. They're connected in the center console. But that's how it looks. I'll show y'all at night how it looks. It looks very nice. And it's not that bright where other cars can see it, especially if your car is low. But I love them. So to get started, what we're gonna do is use this tool to take all the dashboard apart, the console, center console, take the vents, that side. But like all this, I'll be removing it and I'll be showing y'all the new one. So to remove this part, what we need to do is stick the little plastic in there, like that. Not hard. There we go. And it's off. That's the one I had. Yep. And now for this part, we just stick it in here. There we go. It's coming off. That's it. There's the other part. There's the screen. Now to take the vents off is the same process. There we go. To take the centerpiece, we just need to stick it in here. There we go. Gotta be careful for the connections that we have down here. Now that it's off, we need to grab this, twist it, take it off, and then just pull this up. Oh shit. And disconnect this cables. So now I have all my pieces off. Let's go inside and start working. For this experiment, we'll need Gorilla Spray, scissors, and the material we're working with, and the parts, of course. So now that we have everything we need, what we're gonna do is just remove all this, all the old pieces. Just remove it. There we go. Before we start anything else, we need a screwdriver. Take these parts so we can take the button off. The button's off. And we're ready to work. So now what we need is to measure it. Then we're gonna cut it, cut the piece. Then we're just gonna use the spray to make it perfect. If you have one, I recommend using one of these lasers. That's how you use it. Make that straight line, boy. Yep. Straight right there, just to cut it. Next step is the Gorilla Spray. You don't want to spray it on the plastic piece. What we're gonna do is just spray it on the fabric. So here we go. This is how it looks so far. Now we have this piece done. It's not perfect, but it's something. This is how it looks from the back side. Should have cut it more right here, but who cares? Now for this part, we want to grab a X-Acto knife, cut it, and then we're gonna just glue it all together, spray it together. This is the results for this piece. Just right here, I don't know why it's popping up, but it's ready. Now we have all the outside. We need to cut the inside. And we're done with this side. So for the vents, y'all see this right here? To take it off, you just gotta press it and pull. That's it. Press and pull. There we go. And this is the only part we'll be wrapping. Since this is the only part that you can really see, so. And that's how it looks. Gonna get this side, wait for it to dry.
If you have any last words, now is the time. You shouldn't be alive.
Now, the next step is the shift boot. We're gonna do this a different color. I'll show y'all in a minute once it's done. You see? It ain't falling, so that means it's sticking good. Alright guys, so this is the results. I like it, so I'll probably keep it for a while until I get bored of it, but That's this. Now we gotta put the buttons on and get everything else on it. Alright guys, so this is the results. I still need to work on this side since it's raining right now. I just need to clean it up, fix the little details on it. But the rest is looking so fresh. Got this part too. And got the door. As y'all can see, it's raining. My shit got wet. Still gotta fix some details on it. But I like it. And now, I'm gonna show y'all what I was talking about. So this is the stars. Stars on the ceiling. Any color I want. Purple, green, red, any color. It gives the car a better view. Make it lit in this bitch, you know. If y'all want a tutorial on the lights, let me know. I'll find another car to do it. Like I said before, it's not hard. It just takes a little bit of time. But they look nice. It's worth the time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Till next time.